The sun sings low behind the waves. Your name still floats inside my chest. Warm wind carries what we don't say, like secrets the night keeps best. Footprints fading on the sand. Your touch still holding my hand. Even when you're far away, you're closer than you understand. Every mile, every star feels like it's pulling us apart, but every beat inside my chest still knows exactly where you are. There's an ocean between us, but I feel you in every tide. Every wave pulls me apart. Every wave brings you back to my mind. There's an ocean between us, still your rhythm lives in me. Even lost in all this dark, I feel you across the sea. Cold glow, hey, slow chill, friendly, come close, stay near, slow tide, I feel you here. Moonlight dancing on the blue, feels like it's whispering you. Every sound the water makes sounds like promises we couldn't take. I breathe you in with salted air. Your memory everywhere. Even silence says your name, like distance never really cared. If time bends, if nights align, maybe stars redraw the lines. Till that day I close my eyes and meet you where the current lies. There's an ocean between our hearts, but I hear you when it calls. Every moment drifts apart, still I feel you through it all. There's an ocean between our hearts, cold waves butter, warm trace. Even when we're worlds apart, you're the calm I can't replace. Try, hold on, slow tide, low light, inside, bay deep, same beat, same truth. Maybe love was never meant to stay within our hands. Maybe it was always meant to stretch across the land. If I never crossed that line, if you never crossed to me, I'll still swim through every night just to feel you in the deep. There's an ocean between our hearts, but you're written in my sound. Every drop, every part pulls me deeper when I'm down. There's an ocean between our hearts, still the timing feels aligned. If the world keeps us apart, I'll find you in another time. Slow wave, soft dark, ocean between our hearts. Hold this light, don't let go. Not yet, not yet. Golden hours running slow, your skin still warm, the sky still if the morning pulls us apart, I'll keep this under my heart. You feel like summer ending, that last warm breath of air. Every look you're sending says you were always rare. You feel like summer ending, soft fire cooling skin. I don't know where we're heading, but I know where we've been. Hold me right now, no sound, no vowels. Slow beat, low light, this heat, good night. Maybe love is just a season, never meant to stay too long, but it teaches us the reason why the quiet hurts so strong. If I lose you with the daylight, if we fade into the crowd, I'll remember how you felt when the world was turned down. You feel like summer ending, but you're written in my skin. Every memory bending, every time I breathe you in. You feel like summer ending, still shining when it's gone. Even when the nights turn colder, I'll feel you in the song. Soft goodbye, warm air. You felt like summer ending for her. Sun going down, days coming, yeah. Sky turns amber, fading slow, warm lights start to glow. Footsteps moving out of time, but your rhythm finds mine. Salted air on open skin, let the evening pull us in. Every sound begins to blur as the night remembers her. No rush, no signs, just silhouettes and moving lines. In this moment, nothing's loud but the beat beneath the crowd. Deep house at dusk, when the daylight lets us go. Every heartbeat starts to trust in the way the shadows flow. Deep house at dark, bodies close, the tempo slow. Nothing heavy, nothing rush, just let the feeling take control. Fall, let go, breathe slow, dusk, dusk. Effortless on the sand, your fingers sand through my hand. City lights begin to hum, like the night has just begun. Every look feels understated, every move feels understated. No desire to explain, let the silence entertain. In your eyes I lose my name, every touch feels soft the same. If this night is all we own, let it burn but never shout. Deep house at dusk, when the sky forgets its blue. Every moment teaching us how to feel. eyes closed, don't think. Maybe morning asks for answers, maybe daylight pulls away. But tonight has no conditions, only pulses, only sway. If tomorrow feels too heavy, if we drift back to our lives, I'll remember how we moved when the sun was saying goodbye. Deep house at dusk, let it play until we fade. Every shadow learning us, every memory being made. Deep house at dusk, no beginning, no end. If this night dissolves to nothing, I'll still feel it when it ends. Sun gone, bass on. Deep house at dusk. Poco. Slow it down, I feel you now. Night falls soft on our skin, warm lights fading in every step. Feels natural, like I've been here all along. Your shadow moves in time, every breath of mine. No need for words tonight. Your silence feels aligned. I don't lead, I don't follow. We just wait until tomorrow. Every pulse, every move pulls me closer into you. I'm breathing in your rhythm, slow heat under my skin. Every heartbeat, listen to the way your body moves me in. Breathing in your rhythm, we don't rush, we don't fight. Every moment falling perfectly in time tonight. Stay close, don't go. Slow flow, rhythm. Bare feet tracing the sand, your fingers in my hand. The ocean hums below like it already knows. Moonlight on your face, time slips out of place. Every look you give feels like a soft escape. Nothing loud, nothing forced, every feeling finds its course. If this night starts to fade, let it drift the same way. I'm breathing in your rhythm, every move pulls me deep. Every second, listen to the secrets that we keep. Breathing in your rhythm, like a tide against the shore. I don't need to ask for more, I just breathe you in once more. Hold me right there, slow fire, no care. Bass low, heart slow, your flow, I know. Maybe morning breaks the spell. Maybe daylight tells on us. But tonight we're in this space where nothing ever asks too much. If tomorrow changes name, if we walk our separate line, I remember how it felt breathing you motion, no need to talk, I can feel it. Every breath already knows. Bare feet touching the shoreline. Your shadow moves into mine. The world fades out in the distance. Only this rhythm remains. In the quiet I hear your heart beating close. Never far, nothing louder than your eyes. Looking straight into mine. Golden silence, loud enough to pull me in. No words needed when your body's speaking skin. Golden silence, we don't break it, we just float. Every second slowly drips into this golden silence. Don't speak, stay close. Golden, golden. Certainty, the night breeze, soft and steady. Moonlight paints you silver ready. Every move is saying more than 1,000 lines before. Hands trace time on my shoulder. The baseline pulls us closer. No direction, no control. Just let the feeling roll. In your calm, I lose my lane. Nothing here feels the same. If this moment slips away, let it fade just like this day. Golden silence wrapped around us like the air. No excuses, just the truth we never shared. Golden silence, let it echo in our chest. Every beat is falling deep into this golden silence. Pray, hold me, right here. No sound, no fear. Breathing, slow fire. This love gets quieter. Maybe tomorrow, ask questions. Maybe daylight wants answers. But tonight has no language, only pulses and glances. If we never say forever,